Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to add text labels to numbers in Excel. So here, I'm preparing this simple budget. I have unit cost per item, the quantity here, multiplying to give me the total. Let's say I want to specify the units the quantity should be in. So example, this should be 4 kilograms. So I want to add kilogram to this. Now the formula breaks because Excel is no more reading a number for multiplication, but this now converts to a text. And you cannot multiply a text to a number in Excel, hence this error. But let's say you really have to maintain this label and also maintain the multiplication. A way around this will be to format this number to read the number and the label. So you select the number or the numbers if they are in a range of cells. You press Ctrl 1. Ctrl 1 opens the Format Cells menu. Now in here, you come to Custom. Under Type, you clean whatever is there and you put in 0. So 0 represents a string of numbers or values. So this 0 will represent any number. So you now add the text label you want to. So here I'll bring a space and then in double quote I'll put in kg. So now I have a preview. Kg is now added to my number. This will not convert it to a text. So when I click OK, what this means is any number I put here, okay, will read with kg, but it can still be used in any operation. Okay, so you can add it as a prefix or a suffix. This makes it very easy to still maintain your multiplication or any operation. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. Videos are sent to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.